Dear Mr. Zhang, Mr. Marco, and every partners and colleagues, good afternoon. My name is Chen Yusong. You can call me Alan for easy pronunciation. And I'm from consulting team of China. And today, my topic of my sharing is about the scenario-based application of digital innovation. So before my session, and Professor Marco, Professor Echo gave us a very attractive speech. So based on his speech, and I will give all of you some cases about the digital innovation. Okay, before my sharing, I just want play a small game with you. And it's very small and very simple. And who can tell me how many factories in China? How many? Just like how many islands in Indonesia. But I think it's easier to answer. And how many factories in China? How about it? How much? How many? You can guess. And for the winner, and I will prepare a prize for you. Maybe in the evening and tomorrow before you leave Indonesia. Have a try. Just guess. It's okay. How much? How many? Not enough. Higher? More? Oh, no. Okay, so I will tell you that the numbers, so I think just like the islands of Indonesia, is very hard to calculate in China because, you know, every day new factory kick off and some factories was shut down. So that by the end of last year, and the factories in China is about 6.7 million. That is the number. Okay, so let me start my sharing of the digital innovation. So because my business direction is intelligent manufacturing, so that I will share some cases is about these sectors. So firstly, and I will share that what is digital innovation in manufacturing. So generally speaking, and in manufacturing, the digital innovation can be includes two dimensions. The first is intelligent transformation and digital transformation. Okay, and for intelligent transformation, it refers to intelligent product, intelligent manufacture, and intelligent management and intelligent services. It can help the enterprise to reduce cost and to bring new values to customers. Most importantly, is that the intelligent transformation can shorten the distance between enterprise and his customers. For the digital transformation is foundation to support and to achieve the intelligent transformation for manufacturer enterprises, so that it contains for just like you know that A, B, C, D, I, just AI, big data, blockchain, blah, 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 blah. A lot of digital technologies was involved in the transformation that can help the enterprise to finish the intelligent transformation. Okay. In past few years, Chinese governments at all levels has launched a series policies to promote and to encourage enterprise to use digital innovation to support their business. And besides policies, and the government have also provided some funds, a lot of fundings. So in this slide, I have listed a roadmap of some important policies of China government, most of which are made in China 2025 and digital China. So in practice, large state-owned companies as pioneers, they use digital innovation driven China's manufacture from big to strong. So that is the general background of digital innovation in China manufacture enterprises. So in our experience in past years, more and more enterprises in China join the wave of digital innovation. So according to our experience and projects, and we have summarized a map of value scenarios, so that you can find in this map that for the digital innovation is not a concept currently, and it really can bring profits to enterprise. For example, it can improve product quality and to improve to help to control the cost and improve the EHS result. So all of this we have successful cases in our previous experience. Okay, for next slide, and we will show some specific cases to you about the digital innovation in manufacturing. So for case one is the customer is a multinational automaker, and we help them to implement it unified IoT platform for all countries in China. And after the implementation, and the IoT platform can combine IT and OT data together. So in horizontal, and the value chain can be integrated, and vertically, and the management layer of the client, and the operation layer, and equipment and facility layer can be integrated as well. So based on the IT and OT data, and the client can do a lot of innovation of digital in their different functional areas. And for this slide shows that based on IoT platform, and how to improve quality in a factory. You know that in manufacturing, the quality is always a pain point for the client. So that we use digital technology to help them to improve quality. So through the digital, and in this case, and we use IoT platform and big data platform to combine the video and the equipment data and the actions of workers, all of this together. So you know that in factory, and we have 4 M's model, means man, material, method, and machine. So that we combine all of this together and to digitalize skilled of workers, and this can be used for some for freshmen, and to reduce the time of training for new guys. And on the other hand, and we can determine the best practice of standards using this solution, and help the client to improve their quality and reduce the failures of the product. So you know that for the quality improvement, we use AI and big data. Is very, very popular and very ordinary scenario is that so we use machine vision and to identify some failure products. For example, the surface is not good and the colors and or some shapes are not fit for the quality. So that is also some practice in quality improvement. Okay. Predictive maintenance of equipment is another typical and valuable scenarios for manufacturing. And generally speaking, and for this scenario, we just change from traditional plan-based maintenance to on-demand maintenance. So it can identify the failure in advance and try to implement some solutions to avoid unexpected shutdown. So that is very, very useful for a client, for a factory or client that have a lot of equipment and their which business is very rely on the equipment. So that is our very mature solution. Okay, and here is a very simple scenarios that can be achieved in a factory, that we use machine vision and to analyze of employees' behavior and actions that can make the workshop and the factory more safety, and to on the other hand, the monitoring of the workers and can avoid some incident or some unexpected situations. Okay, that sharing is about the business, the digital innovation in manufacture industry. And for case 2, and I will share some cases about digital innovation in building management, so we can change our taste. Okay, so for building management, you know that for Shenwing, and we have a BIM center in China. And for BIM is very, very popular and is very famous and ordinary in engineering industry. But how to use BIM in operation phase and how to improve the value of BIM is a challenge for a lot of clients in China. And here we show that we based on BIM model and to create a digital twin, and generally you can treat it as a visualization of a building, but it reflect the physical entities and on the real time, and you can get the parameters of each equipment or facilities. So that is help the client to management the equipment more easier and more directly. So that is a application scenario and for BIM. Here is another BIM application, and we using BIM. We use the BIM technology to improve inspection efficiency and quality, so that you know that for some customers and the environment of the building is not good, and it costs more manpower and to do some, you know, that don't have much more valuable tasks, so that we can use BIM technology and to create accurate BIM model and for the building and for a space. And then we can, for example, and we have a model of a machine room, sun table, and also we can use AR technology, and we can use 3D technologies to support work order management. So that based on this, and we can is another valuable scenario and to use our BIM. So currently, and I'm from consulting business consulting team, and I'm working together with our BIM center and to chasing opportunity for a client in China. So I think that maybe in next time, and I can share more cases and experience in our cooperation. Okay, and here is our experience of implemented digital twins through an integrated management platform. So based on the platform, it include IoT platform, big data platform, and the traditional management systems. So we put them all together, and then we can use big screen display to demonstrate the real-time situation of the building, and the interface is very friendly. So that is very famous in China. So a lot of big clients want to use this method to demonstrate their result of digital practice. Okay, so in a very short time, and I share some practice of digital innovation in manufacturing. And now is advertising time. What we can offering in China for my team, and you know that the manufacturing industry contains a lot of sectors, and it's not easy to occupy. So that, but anyway, that we can provide a comprehensive package of consulting solutions and services. So I have marked some content in yellow. That is our focus currently, and some, you know, that key services we can provide now. So for the benchmarking, you know that we have international company, and we have a lot of results all around the world, so that we can provide the benchmarking service for in China, and we can provide the service for the state-owned companies and to help them to catch up the rhythm of the global. So that is our the first services. And another is lean management. Just like Eiko said, lean is very important in everywhere, but especially important in manufacturing. So we can provide lean management consulting. And IoT is another key services offers. Not IoT platform, but big data and AI platform is also our key services. And standard solution implementation. For example, MES, WMS, which is key applications in manufacturer client. And based on the client customized requirement, and we can provide customized development. So that is our service map. But for others, is we are still working on it, and we're trying to build team and to build our capabilities. So honestly, and we are a young team with new business. We really hope to get support from all of you from different countries, and to share your experience in digital innovation or in your business cases. So that for myself and my team, and we are willing to contribute our capability and our experience and to to succeed your client. So that is my vision of my team and my of this business. So it's a very quick presentation. So to share some scenario-based applications in manufacturing. And if you have interesting with consulting business and our services, you know that the consulting service in China has changed a lot, and we have undergoing a very big changeable time. So we have a session in tomorrow afternoon, and we will, Mr. Liu, our boss, will share more services of our consulting business. So if you have time, and we are welcome to join the session. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the useful presentations, Mr. Alan.